Hey, AI in action. Let's go. AI in action. Woo. Let's go. AI in action. Woo.
All right. Welcome back to AI in Action. Don't you love that theme music? Yes. All right. So, last time we talked about how important it is not to just create your PIB, but to plug your PIB in. So now we're getting ready to demonstrate, okay? If you are still copying and pasting your PIB into every fresh chat, stop. I'm not about to show you how to install it once in ChatGPT or in Claude. I'm going to show you how to do it forever. Okay? Welcome to the white belt of PIB in action. Remember, the white belt level is all about the settings. I showed you how to do the settings for ChatGPT, but I forgot to come back and tell you about Claude. So that's what we're going to work on today. Okay? So, you're going to need three things. Okay, because this is PIB, this is the global PIB. Remember the overall PIB for whatever AI tool you are using. Okay, this is global. Okay, we're going to install it in Claude, then we're going to test it and verify that it actually works. And you know, most people don't do that step. Okay, let's just keep it real. You need three things. You need your PIB, you need your laptop or your phone, and about 10 minutes. If you don't have a PIB yet, pause and go back to that video where it says we're going to create your PIB. Okay? Go back to that video. All right? All right. So here's a quick analogy because this matters. Right now, every time you open a new AI chat, you are sending AI to school. Remember I gave you this example the other day. With no backpack, no lunchbox, and no name tag. No pencils. That's why it sounds generic. That's why it still sounded generic. Today we're going to give you the backpack once and for all. All right? We already did this for ChatGPT. Today I'm going to show you how to do it for Claude. Okay? All right. So, first things first. You go to ChatGPT. If you haven't already grabbed your PIB and put it into a document, that's okay. Go back to your ChatGPT, search for your PIB, because this, see right over here. Oops, let this mouse. Right over here it says search chats. If you forgot where you put it, just go right there and search, okay? All right. One thing I found out about Claude, it doesn't like a lot of words. So this is my PIB for my business, because I want to make a personal intelligent blueprint for my business. So I did that. Okay. So all of it is up here, but it's a lot. So I had to go back in and give this prompt, and this prompt will also be at the bottom of this video. Okay. Anytime I'm telling you a prompt, look for it to be at the bottom of the video. Okay. And I mean inside the school, and if you scroll down, you will see the prompts. Any prompt that I ever use in a video. Okay. So the prompt I'm using is, I would like to plug my personal intelligent blueprint for business, my PIB, into Claude. Note, keep your full PIB on. This is what Claude told me. Keep your full PIB under 500 words. More than that, and the Claude starts to lose focus. Past 500 words is noise and that signal. Okay, so I will put this generic prompt down at the bottom underneath this video. Okay, and this is what it gave me. See all of that? It starts right here. Claude PIB business version. Hello. And it's yada yada. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to grab all of this. Oops. Come on. Grab it. Oh no, it froze. Are you kidding me? Okay, I got to go back up and start again. Because for some reason it is acting up. Okay, come on. Okay. Let's go back up. My mouse just died on me. Okay. Okay, let's unplug the mouse. Why does something act up every single time? But that's okay. Okay, so I got to do it the old school way. I got to go back up, start at the top, and I'm going to just drag it until I get all of it. Okay, and that still looks like a lot, doesn't it? All right, I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to do Control C because I want to make sure I grab it. I'm going to open up my Claude. Okay, and so this is where, okay, so now go to Claude. It's the same thing, but you just got to know where to find it, okay? If you haven't signed up for Claude already, go ahead and sign up for the free version because you can do this with the free version, okay? So step 1, go to the bottom left corner down here where the icon is. Click on it. Go to settings. Okay, everybody's with me? Okay, good. Aha! We're going to stay in general. And we're going to look for, ooh, there it goes, instructions for Claude. Now, I want to make a note here. Always put the date. So I'm going to put last updated, and ooh, what's today's date? Today is May 18th, 2026. And then I'm going to just paste. And boom, there it is. It's all in there, okay? And then I'm going to go down and make sure. Yep, everything is good. Oops. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Okay, just want to make sure everything is good. Everything is good. Okay. And yes, see over here, it says it's saved. Awesome, because I was looking for that save button. Because on the other one, ChatGPT, there's a save button. There's no save button in Claude. I'm steady. You see, I went down to look to see where it was. Okay, but there's no save button. Now that we have put it in, we got to test it. Okay, because it's one thing to put it in there and just hope. We're not we're gonna verify. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this prompt in. Write a 100-word intro for me as if you're introducing me on stage. Sound like me. Okay, and also make sure this is on Sonnet 4.6. I forgot to mention that last time. See, there's like all these different 1, 2, 3s. Opus is if you're really doing some extreme detail stuff, but guess what? It's going to take up the majority of your tokens. You do not want to use that one. Okay. Haiku is quick and but I like to keep it on Sonnet. So that's where we keep it, on the Sonnet. All right. Make sure it's on Sonnet 4.6 and then hit return. And let's see what happens. I said 100 words about me as if you're introducing me on stage. Let's see if it got me right. Oh, give it up for the woman who doesn't just teach, she builds. Yes, Mrs. B is the education packaging specialist. Oh my goodness, yes. This is everything that I put into my PIB. Guess what? That means it recognized my PIB. It saved it. And guess what? Now it's going to sound like me no matter what I do in Claude. Hello. All right, y'all. Give yourself a pat on the back. That's it. On the next video, we're going to take this same process, but we're going to look into projects and we're going to look into workspaces. Now, what I found out yesterday, please note, I just found this out, that if you're not paying for Claude, you won't see projects. If you're not paying for ChatGPT, I don't know if it's under the free version, but I'll check. But I know for sure, Claude, you have to be paying in order to do projects. Okay. Alrighty. So as you can see, look at it. Do y'all see it? Yes. Let me make it a little bigger because I'm so proud. Do you see it? Yes. It nailed it because I put my PIB where it was supposed to go. See, it nailed me. And you notice it was only one box for Claude versus all the boxes and the buttons we had to click in ChatGPT. Okay. Claude just like, look, just give it to me one time and I got you. And guess what? It did. It got me exactly. She's not here to overwhelm you. She's here to simplify, equip, and activate you. So I need you to stop this video and go do it. All right? Go do this in Claude. All right. See you next time. Bye.
AI in action, hey, hey. AI in action, hey, hey. Think then do, ask, check.